Welcome to video 6 in the Making Data Count series, Action Planning. So in this video, we're going to look at how you can apply everything you've learned in the previous videos and start using your data to drive improvements in your service and support your evidence-based practice. So the steps are, is your data fit for purpose? What is your question? What data do you need and how will you obtain it? How will you analyze it? What else do you need to consider? And finally, how will you use your data? So is your data fit for purpose? Remember in one of the previous videos, we spoke about its quality, that is its completeness and accuracy and its relevance. Is this the right data to help you answer your question? And it's worth thinking about what you can do to check this early on in the process. In a previous video, we looked at how you can develop a question. You may already have an idea of what you're interested in, but using something like the PICO framework can help narrow the focus of your question. What data will you need and how will you obtain it? What will you be looking at? Number of episodes of care or outcome changes over time, staffing levels. It may be worth making a simple table. What data will I look at and how will I get it? Once you have your data, how will you analyze it? If you are using the route, some of this work will be done for you in the reports. It can calculate averages and create charts to help make sense of your data. But equally, you could do the same in a spreadsheet. What else do you need to consider? In previous videos, we looked at some questions to consider when you are interpreting your data to guide your thinking. For instance, do the findings reflect what I was expecting to see? What are the possible reasons that could explain what I'm seeing? Are there any findings that stand out or are especially intriguing that need further investigation? Are there any other possible explanations for these findings that need further investigation? Finally, you need to consider how you will use your data. What are you going to do with the findings? It could be informing key stakeholders or trialing a change to practice or service delivery. It is important to remember that you'll need more than just raw numbers. You'll need a narrative, a story about what is happening based on your understanding of your local context and the particulars of your service. And that brings us to the end of the Making Data Count series. We hope you found it a useful introduction to this important topic, but there are a wealth of resources available about collecting and interpreting data, and RCSLT will be very happy to help out with any questions you may have. Best of luck.